Welcome to our channel. If you want to become a Grubhub delivery driver and start earning money delivering food, follow these step-by-step instructions for complete driver registration. Step 1. Ensure you meet the basic requirements to drive for Grubhub. You must be at least 18 years old, have a valid U.S. driver's license, and have access to a reliable vehicle or bicycle depending on your market. Step 2. Visit the Grubhub driver sign-up page by going to driver.grubhub.com or download the Grubhub for Drivers app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Step 3. Click Apply Now or sign up to begin your driver application process. Step 4. Enter your personal information, including your full name, email address, phone number, and zip code where you want to deliver. Step 5. Provide your Social Security number for background check and tax purposes. This is required for all Grubhub drivers in the United States. Step 6. Upload required documents including a clear photo of your driver's license, current auto insurance policy showing adequate coverage, and vehicle registration if delivering by car. Step 7. Complete the application by answering questions about your vehicle type, delivery experience if any, and your availability for deliveries. Step 8. Submit your application and consent to a background check. The approval process typically takes 3 to 5 business days. Once approved, you will receive an email with your driver account activation and instructions to set up direct deposit for payments. Download the Grubhub for Drivers app, log in, and toggle available to start accepting delivery orders. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.